Hi, welcome to our tutorial on creating your health and wellness coaching practice on the YourCoach Health end-to-end practice management platform and the only operating system for behavior change. My name is Ashlee Honeycutt. I am the Director of Health Coaching Operations here at YourCoach, and I'm really excited to dive in and show you just how easy it is to create your practice on our platform. We're going to start here on our web version. We also have a mobile app, but today's tutorial is focused on the web version. We're also going to assume that you have gone through the steps of setting up your basic account, which includes putting your email address in and going through the validation step to bring us here to this page where we create the practice. You're going to see first here the option to upload a cover photo. Yours would be blank. Mine, I've already uploaded a photo here, but you would see the square that you would just click on, and it would give you the option to upload a photo file from your computer. You can just directly upload that, click here. Once you do that, you're going to see the display photo here. Typically, coaches will use this for their logo or another photo that's representative of their entire health and wellness coaching practice. You can also upload your practice name. So for today, I'm going to put in the Healthy Moms Club. You're also going to notice this little asterisk here next to practice name. That simply denotes that this is a required field to set up your practice on the platform. So you'll see that here for practice name and practice description, but not for the cover photo. Down here on the practice description, you can put in as much or as little information as you like. This will be visible to your clients and potential clients that you invite onto the platform, as well as our coaching community on the platform. That's going to be fellow health and wellness coaches. So I'm going to go ahead and drop in a version of my elevator speech here, just for an example. You can also come down and choose a category, minimum being 1, up to 5 that are relevant and apply to your health and wellness coaching practice. There's everything from musculoskeletal to weight management to mental health. You would just choose the ones that are applicable to you. So today I'm going to choose mental health, brain health, and women's health. Now, while I've only chosen 3, that number could be anywhere between 1 and up to 5. You also have the option to upload certificates. You can do that here by hitting Add Certificate. You'll see it is in a photo format, which an easy way to do this, if you have it in a PDF or another format, is to pull it up onto your screen, do a screen capture, and just save it as a photo. So you'll see here, I'm going to upload a photo. I'm going to upload my MBC HWC certificate. You'll see it's that PNG photo file. I'm going to upload it here. It was super easy. I created a screenshot. Gonna get it translated here. Now that that file has uploaded, I can see the thumbnail here. I'm gonna put a title in for it. So like I said, this is my MBC HWC. So I'm gonna add that title. We also have where you can put in the school name. So if I was uploading a diploma or verification of my education, I would put the school name that I earned that at. Since this is my NBC HWC, I'm just going to put here National Board. You can title this anything you want for the school or for the title. It doesn't have to be what I've chosen. You also have the option to make this public. That means it's going to be shared with your clients and potential clients, as well as with our coaching community, or you can keep this private where it is just uploaded for you. I can hit save. That's going to save that here. I can also upload additional certificates later, or I can do that now. Anything that you feel like would be helpful to your health and wellness coaching practice. I also have the option here for mentorship. If you're a seasoned health and wellness coach who's interested in mentoring other health and wellness coaches, you can flip this toggle here to open yourself up to those opportunities, or you can leave it closed. Finally, we'll come down here, we'll hit save, and that's it. You have created your practice on the YourCoach Health practice management platform.